Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are catching up in my memory planner. So I have this fun scrapbook paper pulled, and then these are big Mombi sticks from like a love pack too. So I really like this red foiled love, and then this love, love, love. These are separate stickers. So it's Valentine's Day week that I'm scrapping. So I feel like either definitely this one with the black and white paper, and maybe this one if I need some more room occupied. So, yeah, I have my pictures already cut out and ready to go. And my studio lights are packed away right now, so I'm definitely just doing it by window light. So if it alters a little bit, I do apologize. But we're going to try our best so that I can get caught up in this. And that way, carry on with other storytelling that I want to do. So let's put you on fast forward and get started. Okay, so let's get this Valentine's Day week layout going. So this heart scribble paper was done by Studio Calico. It's an old sheet that I had in my stash for a while. And so I'm just lining it up to obviously block out some of the zones once again. And I had to measure how big that red foiled love was. It was pretty big, only because it had a lot of like whimsical curly cues to the word itself. So I just thought about having my page be top heavy this time. That's why you saw me thumbing through my old pages just to see, like, I know I've done on the bottom, I've done in the middle, and I was like, okay, I haven't done the top yet this year. So let's just do it on the top, because, you know, you could do this kind of technique in the bottom or in the middle, whatever you see fit. But once again, a nice way to have the layout be a themed layout so that it still shows the holiday that I was trying to document, as well as, I always say too, block out some of the space in case journaling seems a little bit tedious when you have so much room, especially if you have a big memory planner as well. It can seem a little big, you know, for as much of the room that you have to fill in. So if you just watched right there, I kind of ripped up the paper after pulling up the sticker just because I wanted the sticker to be on top of the photos. I wanted it to, and then I didn't because it was blocking my face, but in the end, it's fine. It's fine. I was like, let it go, Ty. Don't go at it again. So on the other side too, so the photos are obviously of Valentine's Day. That was Monday, and I'm on the PTA, so I got to help out her elementary school, hand out and tag all of the carnation Valentine grams, they called them. So I got to deliver them to her classroom. During this time, we still in Florida had to wear our mask on campus, especially for parents. So that is why it was just, again, documenting the time. Where else and what other years are we going to be wearing these masks in school? Hopefully we are closer to the end of that. And so those were the first few photos, as well as selfies of me and Valentina before school. Then this week also, so this is a little bit of news, a little hush hush news. We did put an offer in on a house, and in the market down in Florida, things go so fast, like hotcakes. I feel like everyone's moving down south right now. So it's a new construction. We did put an offer on it, and it did get accepted at the end of the week. So those little new house photos are it, and we get to move in at the end of July, so it's good to start the new year. For Valentina's school will be in BPK, so that's exciting news. That will be a story on this page, as well as the books I'm reading. I think I get through at least one book a week, if not more, because usually on average right now I've been reading 8 books a month, so that makes 2 books a week. So in this week I just took a selfie with the last year in Havana. What a good story. Loved it. Follow me on Instagram for story updates all the time on what I'm reading. That way you'll always stay on top of it. So yeah, it was a really good book this week. Okay, that will wrap up this layout. Cutting these out was totally bomb for filling in the thing. And now I just have to worry about next week because it did bleed through just a little bit there. So I probably have to put a sticker or something there. But for the week of Valentine's Day, I'd say this one is complete. The red foil, and you saw me, if you saw the video, botches a little bit, so I didn't want it to cover my face as much as it did, but then when I picked it up, it was so stuck on already that it ripped everything, so then I just put it back. I was like, you know what, I know I'm there, it's okay, it doesn't have to be a perfect picture. So yeah, and then the little doodads there too. And then here, that XOXO is another red foil, so that's how this foil We'll tie in 3 times here, and then all of the black and white is perfect. All right, so let me print pictures for the next one, and hopefully I'll be able to double film right now and get these videos up for you guys. Till next time, bye.